Let's get to some more serious scientific experiments here. I have to get us all on the same level here, so you have to understand what we are talking about. You all remember the ideas about genetics, DNA, the so-called double helix, and the two strings that are there of ribonucleic acids. Sometimes when I make a mistake, somebody stands up and says, "No, it's not ribonucleic, it's not actually, it's not even amino acids." But nevertheless, what I wanted to tell you, you got the general idea. You know, there is this long sequence of the same kind of amino acids. I think it was called guanine, cytosine, thymine, and adenine, also shortened as G, T, A, and C. And they come in a very, very, very long sequence in a double helix, you know, and like only two of them match two others, like this. Actually, yeah, like this, not like this, like this. So, and then the others are like that, you know. So, only two pairs match. So, I got this whole idea from a photo from Spiegel magazine, where a scientist is standing in front of his laboratory, and the laboratory is like a safe in a Swiss bank. And he's got a mouse looking out of his pocket, and his name is stitched on the pocket, and the mouse is looking out there. And he is the discoverer of the so-called Hox genes. The Hox genes are in all living creatures, from plants to animals to human beings, are particular markers within the whole sequence that do define particular parts of the body. So, like the fruit fly, and my God, what is the fruit fly called? Drosophila melanogaster, exactly. You are from the profession. Somebody's always different. Drosophila melanogaster has only, like, say, 4 or 5 of these Hox genes defining different parts of her body, while the human being has 11 or so. But still, the Hox gene that defines the eyes is the same sequence. It's like a chapter reader, you know, as it is in the giraffe or in the. It's a bit like these children's books where you have a picture of an elephant, and then you can turn over the head, and then there's a giraffe underneath, and then you turn over the legs, and then you have the giraffe legs under the elephant. It's a bit like that. The Hox genes define particular parts of the body. So that particular guy with the mouse in his pocket had made these experiments of manipulating. It's a sequence that follows the Hox genes that defines how a particular part of the body will be produced. So he is the creator.